you need to check the entire task. Okay, so again, first rule, when working, make sure to read the project type. Okay? So guys, always read the project type so that you will not be confused on the tabs that you are getting, on the task that you are getting, because sometimes there's when you are working on the comment, let's say you're working on the repair tab, so there will be an extra comment fix, you will pull the tab and you might apply the rules. So be sure always to read the project type. Okay? So you just don't submit a task randomly. Always check the project type. Okay? So first, what do we do for this LC repair? Since it's already worked on by the labelers, you need to check if the task is properly fixed. Okay? For example, for this one, we do not need to check for the canopy. Okay? Canopy meaning this red part. So you just need to press Control 1 to remove the canopy. Again, guys, we do not need to check for the canopy. We just need to check for for example, the man-made features such as for the road, we need to check for consistency. Guys, please mute your mic. We need to check for consistency, for proper what do you call this, proper tagging, if there are no big errors. Okay? So let's check if it's captured properly. For example, like this one, I think it's captured properly. No errors whatsoever, and then so we can just submit. Boundary error, long drive. Okay, so let's check. So for this one, I think we can just connect. For boundary errors, guys, your neighbor's tasks need to match with yours. So for this one, this is wrong. Okay, so there, as you can see, there's a random road, which is not allowed. Guys, you need to delete fake buildings. Sorry, you need to delete fake futures, fake man-made futures. For example, like this one, there is a random road here. Do you think this is correct? You can answer on the chat box.
No, sir, this is not correct.
Okay, so for this one, we need to report. Okay, so to report, just press this one, highlight, click. And then I think you're familiar with reporting. So delete fake road. Okay, and then submit your report. So this is wrong, okay? So let's just submit. I think we can just submit this one. And let's put another task. I think my reporting was too fast, so let's try again. So guys, again, you need to check the entire mask. No need to fix for the canopy. Again, no need to check for the canopy. So press Control 1 to remove the canopy. Okay, so let's check. So as you can see, I think the task is good enough to submit. Okay? No big errors. If you see errors like this, then you need to fix. So the road shape should be
Sige.
reasonable. Guys, mute your, the shape of the road needs to be reasonable.
Yan
Okay?
lagi
So
sa
this
loob,
one,
sa babae.
guys, again, mute your mic. Uh, okay, thank you. So for this one, we need to fix. So you can just use L or you can use repair tool, whichever tool you want to use. It's fine as long that you fix the task. So let's submit. Okay, let's see. Boundary error. Let's fix for the boundary error. So, long drive. There's a random long drive, so we can delete this one. Long drive. So for this one, this might be a long drive. Okay, I'm not sure. So we can just make this into long drive so that we can match our neighbor. And then we need to remove this intersection. So it will look like this. Next, match we need to match our neighbor. So repair tool to match. Missing road. Okay, so let's add a road here. And then what do we do for this one? What do we There's a missing here. What missing category do we add here?
Intersection, sir. Road intersection.
Okay, so let's look for road intersection. Oh. For canopy. So again, we do not need to fix for canopy, okay? But there are times that it will cause issues. So for example, like this one, it's causing an issue on on our neighbor side. So we use control 2. Okay? Again, control 1 for the normal, control 2 for the canopy, and let's fix for the canopy. I it's quite, what do you call this, annoying. So we have reported this to the engineer yesterday, but I think they forgot about it. So just try to submit. Another error. So let's see. Control 1. Oh, I forgot. I wasn't able to snap. Hmm, Full stream. I think someone is sharing, guys. You can check the streaming. Okay? Thank you. So for canopy, again, let's check. Check your neighbor. Quite annoying. So we just need to match, okay? You just need to match. So a lot of people are having a hard time to match with your neighbor with this error actually. They have a hard time with this error. All you need to do is to just match your neighbor. So if the category is wrong, then you need to report. If it is correct, then you can just adjust, okay? Adjust on your side. So I think this is good enough. Let's try to submit. Hopefully no errors, and then we can just submit. Guys, do not auto pass. Again, do not submit without fixing it. We have last transportation tab, we had a lot of tasks. We have mass pushback a lot of people because they were just submitting tasks without fixing them. Guys, the reviewers can check all your submitted tasks. Okay? They can check all your submitted tasks. Okay? So be careful with submitting your task. So again, press F1 to remove the canopy. Let's just check the road or the other categories here. As you can see, there are a lot of categories. But for now, we are just seeing road. It is correct. No other issues, no fake roads, no fake sidewalk or whatsoever. Then we can just submit this one. Let's pull another one. As you can see, the tab is quite easy. It's very rural. Okay, but still, you need to check the entire maps for task for error. So again, control 1 to remove the other categories. Check if for missing. This is a missing road. I think we need to draw this as a missing road. So later. So for this one, I think this is drawn okay. This is the kind of error that we need to fix. Okay? This is not allowed weird shapes like this one, sharp edges. We need to make the shapes the edges smooth. So like this one. And this should be good enough. Okay? Wait guys, wait. Wait guys. Pre, training pa ko pre. Tapuso ko lang. Ga-training pa ko. Wait. Ang cellphone ka na naman. Palag mo. Wait guys.
Yung pong kakambal, buwi po. Tanong ko lang to sa niya pinaglalaan.
Guys, pa-mute ng mic please. Pa-mute ng mic nyo. Aid. CR aid. Okay na. So, sorry. I'm sorry. So let's continue. And let's try to... Ay, wait. So, this is wrong. This is a missing road on top. Oh. See, so on this part, they deleted the road. So we need to fix for this one. It will cause a topology. If we try to control T, as you can see, there's a missing boundary here. So we can just fix using Top. Road. No need to be precise, okay? No need to be precise, but make sure the shape is reasonable and acceptable. So shapes like this, it is not allowed. So at least it's smooth. Make sure that the shape is smooth. Check the other error, canopy. So control 2, control 1 first. So I think the road is fixed. For this one, I think we can just add a small. Let me check if this is fake real road bottom area. Bottom. I'm really not sure if this is a road. Let's just report this one. Delete. I think this is a fake road. Submit. Check the other errors. Canopy. Okay, so control 1, control 2. Bottom. So we just match our neighbor. Like that. And this one also. And this should be good enough to submit. See? Let's pull another one. So I think most work will be on your neighboring side or your neighboring maps. But it's very, I think very easy work for you. So let's check. So I think there's a missing, what do you call this? Missing road here. Okay, so let's fix. Control 1. Oh, okay. So it's marked as long drive. Let's change to route. Okay, so let's connect. And this should be good enough to submit. Let's check here. So fake. For this fake payments, guys, you need to delete, okay? So this is okay. This one is too ambiguous, so you can just ignore. For futures, for man-made futures such as this, pavements on the back or beside the building, if you are not sure if this is a building or not, you can just ignore for this one. Okay? So this is good enough. Long drive. So I think this is a fake long drive. Guys, for this, for example, like this one, for man-made futures, man-made objects that are in the middle of nowhere. For example, like this one, fake long drive. So there should not be any long drive here. Okay? So long drive, it needs to connect to a road or connect to a building. So for this one, to appear in the middle of nowhere, to appear randomly, this is wrong. We need to report and delete. Delete. This is fake. Submit report, and we should be good enough. This is good enough to submit. Another one. Let's pull another one, and then I think let's answer your questions if you have any. Walang control 4, control 1, control 2 lang. Okay. Control 4, control 5 for your neighbor. Okay. So for control 1 and control 2, guys, I think it's for your neighboring task so that you can just connect to them faster. So you do not need to click for them. For control 2, control 1, it toggles for your neighboring task so that you can connect them. It's because if we use control 1, control 2, as you can see the neighboring files, it turns off automatically. Control 2 is for your neighbor. You do not need to manually click for this one. Okay? So for this one, I'm not seeing any error. Bounded error. I think this is We can just cut it through here, and this should be good enough to submit. So I'm not seeing any because I cut this long drive because here we can see a clear road. It might be a long drive. I'm not sure if it is a long drive or not, but we can see a boundary. So I just cut it here. Guys, mute your mic, please. Okay, thank you. And then we can just submit. Another one. Okay, so this is a better example. It's a bit, there's a lot happening on the map. So control 1 again to remove the canopy. We do not need to fix for the canopy, okay? We only fix for the canopy if it shows topology error. But if it has no error, for example, there's a missing canopy here, you do not need to capture for them, okay? So this one, fake pavement, delete. This one, I'm not sure if this is a pavement. You can just leave it be. So, it's better to change this to long drive. Make it uniform, make it consistent. Intersection, this one we need to fix. Repair tool. Remove this weird spikes. Okay, this is not allowed. Small errors such as this one can be ignored, no problem. So gaps, we need to fill for gaps, okay? Avoid these gaps, guys. So this is correct. Parking. Guys, why do you think this is correct? Correctly tag as parking, not long drive with outside parking. Who can answer for this one? Why do you think this is tagged properly? Not as outside parking. It should be like that. Yes, there's a double parking. Naka-on yung mic man. CR. Yes, there's a double parking, correct. If you see any double parking in the middle, you need to tag the entire area as parking. Okay, guys? That's the difference between outside and parking. If there is a double parking on the middle, you need to tag is at the whole area as parking. So for this one, so I'll give you an example on how to work on this area. So this area up to here should be tagged as parking. For this one, for the upper part, this should be long drive up to here, here, and the side should be what? Should be what? This area here, beside the long drive. What is the proper tagging for this side? Yes, very good. So outside parking. That's the difference between parking area and outside parking. Inside parking, guys, should be inside the road. Okay, they should be inside the road. They should be included in the road. So for parking, it needs to have double parking such as this one, and outside should be they have a specific space beside the road or beside. It might be a road, it might be a long drive, as long that it has a specific space like this one. Okay. So for this one, this is good enough to submit. I'm not deleting this. I'm not sure if this is a payment or not. If you are not sure, then you can just leave it be. Okay? Fix topology. Okay. So let's fix. Hmm. I think we can change this to intersection. I think we can change this to intersection. Long drive, section, and yeah. Hmm. Submit. Oh, hmm. Let's check the topology again. Canopy. Okay, so let's switch to canopy. Control and hmm, let's just cut small portion. Okay, guys? Clear? Uh for the long drive, actually I haven't seen any what do you call this? Long drive that has inside parking on them. But I think you can ignore if it's inside the long drive. So let's check this one. Last map. So this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. So a driveway, it needs a driveway is a road that connects to a residential or it might be an industrial area. But for a building to have the entire area as a driveway, it's wrong. So for this one, I think it's better to draw it like this. Okay? So the car parks here. You do not need to connect for the residential area. This one, cut. These are fake driveways. Okay? It needs to connect to something. So placing a driveway here, it makes no sense, right? It needs to connect to something. So like this, it connects to this. It connects to this house. So I think this is a road. Let's just cut here. Oh, sorry, sorry. And let's try to submit. Hopefully no errors. Okay. Last map, guys. Okay. So for now, do you have questions? Long drive, okay. A long drive, the difference between a driveway and a long drive is the length. So for example, let's use our imagination. Let's say this is a long drive, okay. Let's say you are confused to what this one. Guys, if it exceeds more than 70 meters like this, check the length below. If it exceeds more than 70 meters, you need to tag this as long drive. If it's below 70 meters, then you need to tag it as normal driveway. That's the difference between the two. Okay? Gets? So don't get confused. You can just check the length here. So see, you can just measure the length. For this task, I'm not seeing any error. So if you don't see any error, you can just submit it. This is a fake road. Okay, fake road. Delete. Submit. The task is quite easy, guys. No need to overthink. Any more questions? How about for our international friends? Do you have questions, guys? Is my training clear enough for you to answer? Oh, I'm not sure if there will be another training because let's check. I'll check if how many tasks are remaining. So we have around 4K tasks. So it's gonna be finished around later around 6 p.m. I think. It depends if there's a new project tomorrow. We'll see. So last map, switch to M if you want to rest. Control 1, remove the canopy. Let's work on this together. So I think this should be good enough. Pool, okay. Sidewalk. So for the shifted buildings, you can just ignore. Fake sidewalk, delete. I think it's better to cut and tag this as long drive. Sorry, driveway. So for long drive, yes. Wrong. So for this one, guys, you cannot draw it like this. Okay, so there's a short drive and then there's a long drive, which is wrong. It's better to connect on the entrance. For example, let's say wait. Let's say it's connected like this. Okay, so let's say it's connected, for example, like this. So this is wrong. Okay, you cannot put the short drive first, then the long drive. This is wrong. This is not allowed. You need to merge this into one, just into one long drive only, or you can just add a short drive here to for example, there's a big building. You can add a short drive here, but it cannot go the other way around. Whereas you cut it like this, you draw it like this. This is wrong. This is not allowed. Okay, you can only put a short drive if it connects to a parking area, okay, or a building. But to draw it like this is not allowed. Okay, uh, like this is not allowed. So we better merge parking. This is good enough. This is wrong. Okay, so better to tag this as outside parking. Fix the intersection. So if you want to just better leave it like that. So fake sidewalk, delete. Fix the driveway. So this one, just draw it like that. Intersection, pavement. I think this is okay. This is good enough. You can tag this as sidewalk. You can tag this as pavement. Both are fine. This is okay. So for your intersections, guys, no need to draw it. No need to draw it properly. So this is good enough. So this is system drawn. This is good enough to submit. For this one, you can draw it like this, and then change this to what do you call this? Long drive, or you can just leave it like this. It's both are fine. So for this one, a gap. It's better to do it like this. Should be outside parking. Driveway. Outside parking. It should be outside parking. Fake pavement, delete. This one also, it's obviously ground, delete. And fake pavement again. Fake long drive. Long drive. This one, this might be a long drive, but this is too thin. So let's just adjust. This is not allowed, guys, okay? Let's just adjust the length, or I mean the width, to make it more realistic. So this should be deleted. L. and just merge. So we do not need to put an intersection here. And this should be good enough. Fake pavement, delete, sidewalk, okay. Might be a pavement, I'm not sure, ambiguous. This one, delete fake pavement. Yeah, pavement. Delete. So, again, guys, a driveway is, if you see a driveway beside, I mean, at the back of the building, like this one, this is wrong. Driveway should be in front of the building, not beside, or it can be beside, but not on the back area. So this should be good enough. Submit. So this is wrong. So there's a driveway, a sidewalk, driveway, which is wrong. Okay, this is not allowed. This kind of error will cause your task to be mass pushback. So you need to be careful, guys. Okay. So we have actually mass pushback a lot of people on the transport tab because they were not, they don't know what they were doing. So for this one, we need to report. Do not just add. I've seen a lot of people. They do it like this. So they add a small short drive, and then they will just submit, which is not allowed. Okay, you will just get in trouble if you keep doing that. Just report the task. It's not that hard. It's not that difficult to report a task. Okay, it's better to be safe than to be sorry. Okay, guys? So these are the people that we have reset. Okay, there were a lot of people that we reset last transportation tab. So you need to be careful. Okay? So again, better to be safe than to be sorry. So let's check this one. It is labeled as outside parking, which is clearly this is not an outside parking. So again, this is wrong. This is fake. Submit. Yes, I know reporting can be quite a hassle, but again, better to be safe, guys. You just need to be patient. You can open 2 IDs at the same time, no problem. So for now, while it's reporting, do you have questions? Sabihin. Ignore that vertical lines. You can just ignore for that one. No need to concern yourself with that. So canopy. Just cut our canopy. It's better to delete. I think this is a fake canopy as well. So this one, cut it like that. And I think this should be good enough to submit. Okay, guys? Do you have how to report? You can just check the pin messages. Wait, I think I have videos there on the pin messages. No, it's not public. I'm sorry, it's not for public viewing. The mass pushback. Okay, I'm sorry for that. But you need to be careful, guys. Again, better to be safe than to be sorry. Do not rush on your task. Okay, so guys, do you have questions? Do you need clarifications? None? Okay, so if you do not have any more questions, then you can proceed na, guys. Okay, so good luck. Follow natin yung training, follow the training rules, always check the banner. Okay, so you might pull on another tab. Check the banner from time to time. Okay? Project. Okay. Just register on the tab. So the tab is only open for those people who have passed their LC exams. If you did not pass your LC exam, then you are not allowed to work. Okay, so for those people that weren't able to complete their LC exams, I suggest you finish it as soon as possible. Okay, so if you pass your LC, check your tab, check your site. The tab number is 57 and 56, 4957, 4956. Okay, guys. So if no more questions, then let's adjourn and you can all start working. Okay, so thank you for attending. Thank you for your time. Enjoy your day, everyone.